Everybody, Crypto Whiskey here with a quick tutorial. We went over part one was reading candlesticks. Now this is part two. I want to go over types of divergences and where to find them. This is part of building on how to identify trends and trade setups. Right here's a quick little cheat sheet of a chart. You can print this off. You can find it. You can Google it and find all kinds of different versions of it. Print it off, stick it by your computer until you get used to it. Just a quick little rundown of them. You have bullish divergences, and these are the different types: Class A, Class B, Class C, and hidden, which is super awesome because that's what we're looking at right now on some of the Bitcoin type crypto charts. Uh, but I just wanted to point that out to you. Print that out, keep it. There's nothing wrong with that. Lots of good oscillators. But we are going to look at a few charts and identify them real quick. Right here is the Bitcoin daily chart. And there's a lot more to this, the technical parts of it, like the signal lines and this is the histogram right here and all that stuff. But when you're starting out, you don't need to know that. And you're trying to make money. You'll get into the details of why it is later. So these are the signal lines, and the MACD stands for Moving Average Divergence Convergence Divergence, excuse me. So what you want to see right here is you have this one low and the same low. These are the price action candles. All right, these are the price action candles. You have one low and the same low. Down here on the momentum, the MACD, you have a higher island of negative sell pressure, a slightly lower island of sell pressure, and a lower island of sell pressure. What this is one, two, three. This is triple bullish divergence. And now what we want to do is pull back up our chart and look here. Let's see what we can find right here. Low, same low on price. One, two, lower levels of negative momentum on the oscillator. And that right there is Class B reversal divergence. It don't always have to play out. This is just a helpful indicator in identifying a trend and see which way it's going. Now this can work even down here on the RSI, the relative strength index. You know, you can still identify it there, and sometimes I do, and I like to love it when they're playing in tandem. But I love the MACD. It's just always been big and helpful to me. We'll click over here. Let me see where this last. Okay, here's Farm USD, another little coin. We have a little something different. So on the price, we have a low and a higher low. On the MACD, we have a low and higher levels, more selling pressure, giving us that right there. So we'll pop right back over here to our chart. Let's find that. Look down here. We have a price with a low, a higher low, and then the oscillator, a low, and more levels of negative momentum. We have hidden bullish divergence, and that's a continuation pattern. So it's real simple. I'm not going to go over each one of these with you. I just want to make it quick and simple, and that's all it is to it. You want to find these patterns, and there's bullish and bearish. You want to go through your charts, and you want to start pulling lines, play with it, learn, and you want to try to pull them from the same areas: low, higher, low, low, higher levels of negative momentum, which means when it starts to turn, you'll start getting positive price action to the upside. So just go through your charts, play with them. It's really simple, and it's going to take you a long way in identifying a trend about to turn, if a trend's going to continue, if a trend's is kind of finished. You're going to start seeing all of that play out. But go ahead and print that out and go walk through there. Look through all different assets and try and find these patterns. And then go try to find the bearish ones too so you can identify them. Real simple, makes a big difference in finding your trade. Thanks a lot, everybody, for watching. I hope it was helpful at some point. Leave comments, like, subscribe, and I'll have some more educational videos out soon. Thanks.